We will succeed, and indeed succeed. We shall create synergy that will ensure that our theme of one county, one people, and one Kenya will give us the socioeconomic development that we all desire to see. We are not just about to abandon our promise. We shall remain faithful and true to our promises and your dreams. You tried it on us last time, and we didn't fail you much. Where we fell short of your expectations, we were candid enough to explain of the challenges that militated against our achievements. Thank you because you understood, and you shall continue to understand. The government will continue to promote education and empower our youth through increased enrollment into the ECD centers and youth polytechnics. It is our goal that every boy and girl in the most remote villages accesses education at an early age. We will recruit additional ECD teachers and construct more ECD classrooms to cater for the increasing number of young learners. We will construct and equip more workshops in our polytechnics to cater for the steadily increasing number of youths that are seeking skills in these institutions. Other initiatives also include the establishment of empowerment centers and empowerment funds for the youth.